Oh yeah, way better.
What's going on, guys? So this is super quick, super impromptu. I don't even have a gimbal. I was just doing the editing for the video and I realized that we have no explanation of what the heck we even did. So the purpose of this video was us doing our first fabrication job. So Jaime designed, it's a dolly for his dad in order to be able to move his sea-doos around whenever they go out camping and whatnot. So we took the design from CAD and built it in real life with no chop saws, using angle grinders and the death wheel. So all of the wrong tools to create the right thing. So enjoy watching us flounder through this.
Pretty easy, huh?
Oh yeah.
It cuts through really easy on that side.
Cuts like butter.
And then just flip it and do the same on the other side and do a cut. Yeah, just open it up instead of closing and grabbing the disc. All right, and now just stand it up straight and bend it all the way down, all the way. And just do it a few times and eventually it'll just snap. It'll reach its elastic limit. Beautiful. That guy is going to be the front of the dolly. Back? No. Oh, there we go. That's good.
At least your nails are clean for this close up.
Right? Voila. All right, so now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna weld these guys on. Each one of these, they are different lengths. We're running out of daylight, and I still need to cut these short to because technically they're a little too long on each side. So I need to cut this one up to the angle here, and then this one up to 6.5 inches. This one up to this point here is 6.5. So I need to even this going out with this one. You can tell the exhaustion's getting to me, but let's do it.
Time for the finishing touches. We're gonna bed line this thing. If the gimbal will stop freaking out. Put a handle on it. And get it out of here. All right, so we hit this with acid etch primer. We treated it with this, which converts rust. So first, this thing was all orange and messed up because it had been in the water for its, test run. And that stuff, the rust mort, turned everything back to bare metal, wipe away all the rust, and it treats what's left. Then I just hit it with the acid etch. Next comes white bed liner.
Got it cut. Alright, now I'm gonna slice this thing.